Apple Cash is a digital payment feature within Apple Pay, letting you send, receive, and spend money on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. It uses a virtual Apple Cash card in your Wallet app. This video will show you how to turn it on, verify your identity, and start using it. Before setting up Apple Cash, let's check the requirements and compatibility. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, or Mac running iOS 11.2 or later to use Apple Cash. Additionally, you must be located in the United States, as Apple Cash is currently only available there. Finally, ensure your device has Face ID or Touch ID enabled for secure transactions. Apple Cash is exclusive to the United States. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Select Apple Cash Card from the list of options. If you don't see Apple Cash Card, ensure your iOS is updated to the latest version and your region settings are set to the US. Next, you'll need to add a debit or credit card to fund your Apple Cash account. If you already have cards set up for Apple Pay, you can choose one of those. Otherwise, follow the prompts to add a new card. This card will be used to add money to your Apple Cash balance and for transactions if your balance is insufficient. To unlock the full functionality of Apple Cash, including sending and receiving larger amounts of money over $500, you need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to comply with U.S. financial regulations. Identity verification is required to send or receive money over $500 or for full access. This verification process helps prevent fraud and ensures compliance with anti-money laundering regulations. It enhances security for all users by requiring identity checks before allowing larger transactions. To verify your identity for Apple Cash, you have two main options. First, you can scan a U.S. driver's license or state ID using your device's camera. This digital scan securely captures the necessary information for verification. Alternatively, you can verify by entering the last four digits of your Social Security number and answering personal questions provided by Apple. These questions help confirm your identity based on credit bureau information. During verification, Apple's secure servers cross-check your provided information with credit bureaus to ensure accuracy. This process usually takes between 1 and 3 days, depending on the verification method chosen. Once your identity is successfully verified, this confirmation remains valid and doesn't expire. However, verification can be suspended if the process fails or if Apple requires additional security checks in the future. Once your Apple Cash Card is activated, it appears directly in your Wallet app. Here you can see your current balance and recent transactions. To send money, open iMessage and tap the Apple Cash icon. Enter the amount you want to send and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. For spending, hold your iPhone near an NFC reader at stores to pay instantly, or select Apple Cash when making online or in-app purchases. You can also receive funds through iMessage or by sharing your Apple Cash handle with others. If you encounter issues with Apple Cash, start by ensuring your iOS is updated to the latest version. This fixes most compatibility problems and ensures smooth operation. Next, confirm your device region is set to the United States and that identity verification is complete. This is required for sending and receiving larger amounts. If Apple Cash isn't visible in your wallet, double-check that iOS is updated and your region is set to the US. You may also need to restart the Wallet app. Remember, Apple Cash is FDIC insured up to $250,000, providing security for your funds. Most transactions are free, but ATM withdrawals cost $2.50. Funds can be transferred to your bank account, which takes 1 to 3 business days.